In this video, I'm going to share with you how you edit and customize your ClassLINK page. What you want to do is you want to go to the top left-hand corner and select the Edit Mode button. And you're going to see a little white tab that shows up. And there's Themes, App Size, Font Size, Palette, and Custom Wallpaper. So if you go to Custom Wallpaper, there's a number of different wallpapers to choose from. Okay. You can go to the Custom, or you can go to Color. Okay, like a specific color that you want. Okay. All right. And then you could go to palette and then you can choose any color you'd like over here. I'm going to choose this color. And then you can go to font size. And then you can go make the app size nice and big if you'd like. And then you can change the theme from classic, primary to professional. So I'm going to go to primary. And that's it.